Hey guys, what's up? Another amazing recipe using Emami Advanced Soya Chunks. 5 kadam. Now, what I love to do is various treatments with this. कभी मैं इसे pre-soak कर लेता हूँ and then start cooking with it. But this time I'm going to show you another treatment to it. How you start already putting flavors into this as in another layer of flavors. Now these are really juicy. These become really nice, tender and juicy when you rehydrate them. But imagine rehydrating them with थोड़े मसालों के साथ. And that too not too many masalas. I like to just use थोड़ी सी हल्दी, थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्ची and a little bit of salt. Let's start cooking. So we've got some water over here. तो हमने पानी डाल दिया वो about 200-250 ml of water into which हम डालेंगे about 50 grams of soya chunks. Okay, beautiful. इसमें हम डालेंगे मंत्रा की हल्दी, some हल्का सा रेड चिली पाउडर, ओके, और हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा नमक. That's all you need in this, okay? तो अभी ये actually boil हो जाए about 5 to 7 minutes. And guess what? मैंने आपको बताया नहीं कि क्या बनाने जा रहा हूँ. You must be a little waiting for this. Okay, I'm actually making a fantastic roll. Now the roll is very special because I've made a fantastic roti with jawar, bajra and whole wheat flour, which is really healthy, but the taste is just fabulous. And along with the combo of healthy soya chunks, along with the healthy roti, you can't go wrong. And I've got this amazing recipe. So today we're going to be making a soya chunk and matar ka roll. Let's start cooking. I'm just going to mix this up, putting this on a little boil. Literally just one quick boil and we're going to switch it off, which is just happening here. And you can see already they are kind of puffing up, they are blooming, they are looking absolutely gorgeous. These soya chunks are a great substitute for meat. Now, especially the quality of the advanced chunks. Look at them, how nice, soft and juicy they are. So this is done. Now what I'm going to be doing, and I'm just going to be switching it off and let it stay in this. And in the meanwhile, let's start doing our other preps. I've got some mushrooms, I've got fresh green peas, थोड़े से spring onions है, ginger, garlic, green chilies, tomatoes, and I'm going to be using actually a very nice masala which is quite handy to have at home all the time, and it is our amazing pav bhaji masala. It's just fabulous. Keeping in mind that whole snacky feel, that roll feel, I thought pav bhaji masala would be the ideal choice for this recipe. है ना? Great. So ये जो button mushrooms है, I love to combine them with soya because you know both have this really nice meaty texture. They are both very nutritious. You know, mushrooms are very high on the protein content. So I would recommend definitely to add mushrooms, but I know some people don't like mushrooms. It's okay, not everybody is the same. You could put some other vegetables. I would recommend anything which is nice and fresh, anything which is seasonal, वो बढ़िया रहता है. लेकिन अगर आपको कुछ नहीं डालना हो, तो believe me, soya is good enough. So mushrooms हमारे ready हो गए. Now we need to really quickly saute this. तो चलो अभी बनाते हैं a beautiful filling. So I've got about a teaspoon and a half of a lovely soybean oil here, and we just gonna be giving it a nice swirl. उसके बाद हम डालेंगे boom थोड़े से जीरे का छौंक. Okay, जीरा, green peas, soya. It's an amazing combination. About 1 tablespoon of onions, 1 teaspoon of spring onions, some green chilies, a bit of ginger and a bit of garlic. I would say about half a teaspoon of each, I would say. Okay. अभी हम हल्का सा इसे सॉटे कर देते हैं. Okay. Next, we're going to be adding our sliced mushrooms in here. Now, mushrooms, remember, they start hydrating. They give out their own juices, their own moisture. So remember, you can always add very little oil to this recipe because you know क्या misconception है कि अगर मैं ज़्यादा तेल नहीं डालूँगा, all the food gets stuck to the pan. But no, that's not true. You have to regulate your temperature when you cook anything. Also remember, job ingredients like piyaz, like mushrooms, cabbage, okay, they all have their own moisture, which means that जभी भी you're cooking with like a पत्ता गोभी or a mushroom और कभी लौकी हुई दूधी हो जाए, so what happens is that they have their own moisture content, which means that you should take advantage of that. Okay. Look, now I mean it's beautiful. It's not sticking. We've got this lovely mushroom mixture going on. Now we are still waiting for our star of the show, which is हमारे soya chunks here. तो नेक्स्ट ये जो सोया चंक्स है हम इसमें डाल देते हैं. लुक हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दे लुक, अमेजिंग. और फिर अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें बारीक कटे हुए टमाटर, यानी कि आई वुड डू अबाउट, आई वुड से 1 small to medium sized tomato in this. A nice big 1 teaspoon of chopped dhania as well. हमारा पाव भाजी मसाला, beautiful, about 1 teaspoon in this. So now literally we are going to be giving this a little, and I'm going to be using a little water. Okay, the soya ka stock, I would say, because remember all your flavors are in here, all your nutrition is in here, and now look how beautiful this is. So we are just going to be literally cooking this down for about 5 to 7 minutes and हमारी शानदार mixture will be ready. Last minute, a couple of green peas, about half a cup of green peas in this. Nice. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, I would say. Beautiful. And our mixture is ready. Now what I suggest for this is that try to use this recipe as a great dish for a tiffin snack. Let it be for your kids or for even office goers, people who are cooking for themselves, carrying their own lunches to work. आजकल बहुत ही trend हो गया है ये. Like people are actually cooking their own food and carrying it. So this becomes a really nice dish just by itself, just like this. You know, to enjoy it. I would even eat this cold. Okay. So literally, this is like a nice dish which you can quickly make, you know, a quick fix lunch. You want to make a substantial meal with this. You can also cook a little bit of rice and make a beautiful pulao with this. Why not? So let's check this out right now. Let me see how juicy and tender it is, as I always told you. Wow, outstanding. Now let's start making our roll. So I thought ideally for this recipe we would make some nice palak ki roti. So this is palak ka puree, jawar, bajra and whole wheat flour. So literally this is one beautiful guilt-free kind of recipe which you should look at. Okay, it's delicious, it's nutritious, and the best part is now that आप डो बना के रख सकते हो, like what I did was, and that's it. Last minute आप roll कर लो, and you can use this as a fantastic filling for a lot of things. Okay, I think you should experiment with whenever you have any palak left over, methi left over, sometimes you have some sorrel leaves, you can mix all of them together, quickly blanch them, puree them, and use all these amazing things in your rotis as well. So you're adding a lot of nutrition to your rotis. So So we've got these lovely rotis here, tazi seki hui. Going to put it right here. We just smear a little bit chutney in here. फिर हम डालेंगे इसमें हमारा lettuce, any kind of lettuce leaves you want, you can use them as well. Okay, you want to use some palak, you can use some palak as well. And then this amazing roll, this lovely filling, great filling going on here. Some lovely onions here. Some nice plain yogurt just to give it a nice lovely moisture to it, even more moisture. And next, and our wrap is ready. Did you ever think that you could make this amazing dish using Emami Advanced Soya Chunks? Of course you can. आप ये रेसिपी देखिए, ट्राई कीजिए, सबको खिलाइए, आप भी खुद खाइए, शेयर कीजिए, and also anything else, any good ideas which you have and you want to share with me, this kitchen and this chef is always open for you. Until then, remember, eat well, eat good food, and always have Emami Advanced Soya Chunks in your diet because it's all over my house.